Welcome back, y'all. We here with another video. Today, me and my boys are here. We're gonna show you the process of making this Mac Miller album cover into a mirror. My boy Tyler's gonna hold it for y'all. So I did this. It looks good. Finished. Pretty easy, a lot of white though. The middle is gonna be a mirror. I'm gonna do this one. These two should be on the shop. This one's someone already ordered. There's a custom order right there. These two are just going on the shop. See you guys soon. Alright. See here, we've done the rug that I was supposed to do, which is this one right here.
You look like that one SpongeBob where he had his flower on his head.
Anyways, this is the rug. The mirror is gonna be right here. I just finished that project right there. Lana Del Rey. Is that on fire? There we go. There we go. But I just take some pictures with my phone. We're stacked right now. We got the Dior, Girls Don't Cry, Kanye. We still have them all. They're on the website. Oh, I just got a whole new setup, boys and girls. Just got a little chair.
So I could read with George.
This office is pretty dirty, so I didn't show you guys the office. Just like grab it. You just put it on there. I couldn't find a normal mirror, so I had to get this mirror from Target. Yeah, I got the mirror. I'm gonna just disassemble that mirror and put it onto that thing. Yo, chat, peep this playlist. Yeah, when I get buckets, that was the views. No skips. There's no skips on this playlist. Someone tell me what the skip is. There is none. All bangers. I did the back. I'm gonna shave it now. Another time lapse right now of me. Yeah, giving this thing a fade. This is like almost done. I need to get the grooves in, everything. This is how it looks. Y'all wondering, almost done. It's come along. Did these three already. Now I gotta do each of them. That looks so good. W's in chat right now. Here we go. You gotta put. I'm gonna do the back now. Back and still on. I'm hyped, bro. I don't know why it looks so good. So this does not fit. I gotta go to the store. Go get another one. Yeah, I did that to hang it up. And it is finished. Ooh, that's fire. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video. You guys saw me make this beautiful piece. This was my brother's room. Ooh, it's fire or nah? I'm gonna try to keep posting once every 2 weeks for now.
Sneak peek of the next batch of rugs.
I'm excited for that Kanye one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I did a giveaway on the Instagram. If you're not following the Instagram, go follow it.
Go follow it.
I'll see you guys probably in 2 weeks after this video drops.